Hello and welcome. I'm Urvashi, and today we are starting with the basic of German, that is, learning the alphabets. I'll guide you step by step through all 30 letters of das Deutsche alphabet. So, let's jump right in. Firstly, it's important to understand that in German there are 30 letters in total. 26 of them are same as in the English alphabet, while the remaining 4 are special characters that are unique to German. Let's explore them together. So, here the first alphabet, that is A, is pronounced as A, A, B, B, C, say, D, day, E, A, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, yacht, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, V, X, 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 Y, Y, Z, set. Let's repeat them again. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, U, V, V, X, Y, Y, set. Now, let's understand and know about the 4 additional alphabets which are the unique characters or special characters in German language. Before knowing how to pronounce all of them, first understand what these dots above these letters called. Here, these dots in English are called as umlaut. Umlaut. In German, we call with mit. We translate with as mit. So, A with umlaut is called as A mit umlaut. O with umlaut is called as O mit umlaut. Similarly, U with umlaut is called as U mit umlaut. Now, let's understand and see how to pronounce A with umlaut or A mit umlaut, O mit umlaut, U mit umlaut. A mit umlaut is pronounced as A. A. Let's see the example. Apple, apple, apple. Similar, English, English. O with umlaut or O mit umlaut. in German is pronounced as yo, yo, yo. Let's see the example. Eol, eol, which is oil. To open, öffnen, öffnen. Similarly, U with umlaut or U mit umlaut in German is pronounced as U, U. For example, Tür, door, Tür. Fünf, five, fünf. And the last alphabet is called as acid. Acid. So, great job! You have just learned the German alphabets and you are off to a fantastic start on your German language journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep repeating the letters, try using them in words, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy German lessons. Till then, bis bald, tschüss.